Hey Angel, it's Bernie from Be Present Digital Marketing. Thanks for taking my call earlier. Now, in this quick video, I'm going to go over 3 tips on how you can improve your website and start beating out your competition and bring in more leads. So, the first thing I'm going to talk about is content. The next thing I'm going to talk about is backlinks. And the third thing I'm going to talk about is citation. So, just taking a look at your website, I do like the way it's laid out. I like your logo and your color scheme. You have your services page here. That's really good. Now, Google likes to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words on a homepage, depending on the keywords needed. Now, a keyword is anything that might be typed into Google looking for a specific business or service. Keywords should be placed throughout your web page, telling Google exactly what terms your business wants to be found for, basically. So, terms for your business would look like this: roofing services keywords. You want to place as many of these keywords on your website as possible so that Google knows, hey, when someone's typing in for roof repair, I need to send them to Angel's website. So the more keywords you have on your website, the better off you are. I took a look at your word counter. So I put your website in a word counter. You have about 390 words. Your competitor here has about 337 words, and Paul Wright Roofing, they have about 162 words. So the simple fix for you would be to go out, get more content on your keywords, relevant content to your website, relevant content to your business. Outpace those guys in terms of the word count on your website. So you definitely want to have about 1,500 words on your website, and you can begin to organically, easily outrank these guys. Okay. Now the second thing I'm going to talk about is a backlink, and basically what a backlink is like anywhere you find a website linking to another website via clickable hyperlink. So, for example, plumbers.com has a link on their site with an article linking back to your site. Now, these links, they act as an endorsement to your website, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouch for you, basically. So it's literally like a popularity contest where a person with the most links or website with the most links is going to win. Links pointing back to them is going to win. Now, not all backlinks is created equal, so you definitely want to go out there and get relevant backlinks. For example, if you have a backlink coming from Joe the Plumber or Bill the Handyman linking back to your site, those are relevant links. But if you have a link coming from Pizza Hut or Domino's, that's not relevant. It's just not relevant to your business. Them vouching for you is just not going to help your ranking in Google's eyes. So let's take a look at I use a paid service called Ahrefs here, and there are free services out there. You can always go out there and find one on your own, but I use a paid service. So if I look at your referring domains, which is really important to me, I see 16 referring domains, which is giving you 370 backlinks. If I take a look at your competition, they have 50 referring domains and 207 backlinks. And if I take a look at Paul Wright, he has 64 referring domains and 239 backlinks. Now these backlinks are important because what they do is they help generate traffic based on that and the organic keywords. So now if I go back to your organic keyword search, I looked at you have 30 of these organic keywords on your website, and it's referring you about 6 clicks a month to your website. You can increase that by using more of these words on your website to gain higher traffic. Now, if we take a look at your competitor, he has 116 of those organic keywords on his website, which is bringing him 102 clicks, unique clicks organically per month. And if I look at Paul Wright, he's got about 67 words and he's getting about 232 organic clicks per month. So you definitely want to go out there and get this organic click thing button up. That'll help drive more traffic to your website. based on putting these keywords on your website. Now, the last thing I'm going to talk about is a citation. And basically what a citation is anywhere your business name, address shows up exactly as it is in your Google profile on the map pack. So we have this map pack here, and it's basically basically like a free service that you can put out your name, business, and address, and Google verifies it with other directories. Now, citations help to rank in the map pack, which is very important, extremely important for local businesses to be in this map pack because it generates huge amount of revenue. So when people search, for example, I put in roofing Lehigh Valley, I get this search that comes up. This is what comes up first. On the first page, organically, you are in this map pack. We see Paul's in the map pack. We see Allen's in the map pack, and we see Lehigh roofers are in the map pack. Now you would look at this and say, hey, listen, these guys have 106 reviews. This guy has 168 reviews. Why is he not above him? The reason why he's not above him is because Allen's citations that he has out there are probably not as strong as Lehigh's. So it really doesn't matter what your ranking is. It matters what citations you have, how many you have, and what the quality are. So in Google's eyes, they see certain citations as being better than others. Now, citation directories include, directories like Yelp, Angie's List, Expertise, Business to Business, and there are hundreds of others out there. Social media accounts are great to have out there for citations. And basically what you want to do is I did do a search and I saw that put your name, your business name into Google, and I saw that you didn't have any. You have Yelp, you have this, but you do not have any uh, GMB for Google. So that's something that you can definitely go out and do, like today, if you wanted to, and get that done, and then you can start to begin to rank up here with all the other businesses in this map pack, which is going to increase your visibility. So I hope this was helpful today. I think, you could do one of two things. You can say, hey, I'm going to go out there. I'm going to implement these things that Bernie said. I'm going to get this stuff done. I'm going to redo my website. Or if you need more information, I'm always here to help. Only thing that I ask is that you do give me some feedback on this video just to tell me how it was. Again, my name is Bernie. The number's at the bottom of the screen. Feel free to contact me anytime.